Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Then tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this gear next to your device and tap on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my devices are no longer paired. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!